In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order in QuickBooks Online. A purchase order, or PO, is a formal request you send to a vendor that lists what you're buying, the quantities, and agreed prices. Turning on POs in QuickBooks helps you track what you've ordered before the bill arrives, so you can compare what you requested with what you're billed for. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online company. Make sure you're in the right company file if you manage more than one. Once you're in, look for the settings icon at the top right of the screen. It looks like a small gear. Click that to open your settings menu, then choose Account and Settings. This is where you control core features and preferences for your books. Inside Account and Settings, select the Expenses tab on the left. In the Expenses area, find the Purchase Order section and click the Edit icon. Turn the Purchase Order feature on. While you're here, you can set helpful options like a default message that appears on your POs, or a custom number prefix if you want your POs to follow a specific numbering pattern. When you're done, be sure to save your changes and then close out of Account and Settings. If you don't see the Purchase Orders option, double-check your user permissions or plan level, as access can vary. Now that POs are enabled, head to your vendor list. From the left navigation, open Expenses and then Vendors. Locate the vendor you want to buy from, and click their name to open their profile. This keeps everything tied to the right supplier, making it easier to track order history later. In the vendor view, use the New Transaction drop-down and choose Purchase Order. This opens a fresh PO form. You'll see your vendor pre-filled at the top. Review details like the mailing address, the ship-to location, the PO date, and your payment terms. In the product, service, or category area, add the items you're ordering, along with quantities, rates, and any applicable tax. If your products and services are set up in QuickBooks, using them here will help with inventory and reporting. Add a memo or a note to the vendor if needed, and attach supporting files like quotes or spec sheets to keep everything in one place. Take a moment to confirm the PO number makes sense in your sequence and that totals look right. When you're ready, save your purchase order, and if you plan to send it to the vendor now, choose the option to email it directly. That's it. You've enabled purchase orders, opened your vendor, and created a PO in QuickBooks Online.